And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest 30 Minutes Fantasy. We have the Rosan Assassin. Yes, so this is the Rosan Assassin. Of course, earlier we unboxed the Liver Assassin, and this is the Rosan counterpart of it. And as you can see up here, um, the flag of the Rosen is under the flag of the liver, and we have the Rosen assassin here. And off to the side, what you can see here is yeah, so yeah, off to the side. Again, it uses the same silhouette one since the start of the series. And of course, you can make an armor cross wherein it becomes a Rosen Assassin. And of course, later on in job change, it becomes the Rosen Assassin Slash. And off to this side is, yep, from the back of the Rosen Assassin and some information about the Rosen Assassin and the 30 Minutes Fantasy line itself. And let's see what's inside the box. So first off, we see the parts for the armor for the Rosen Assassin. So we have the pure blue, some white, and of course some gray here. And then now we see the bag with most of the familiar screws here for the silhouette one, mostly in light gray. Yeah, as you can see here. Same thing with this bag here. And lastly, of course, this bag we're in. Most of these parts are very visible and very familiar with. And in the instruction manual, so this is very strange, or rather, something weird, because this is a water element. But instead of making it really blue, it's like a dark navy blue one. Yeah, navy blue or a darker shade of blue instead of the liver portion where it's very clear, or rather, very blue. Yeah. So of course we have some other lineups of the Rosen Empire here. Then let's take a look individually at the screws then. Alright, so first off is the A screw. Again, this is very similar to all of that uses the Silhouette 1, with the only exception of the colors and something that's very different from a water core elemental of Rosen. This is the first water core elemental of Rosen actually. Yes, it's blue here, but the other parts is like a dark, murky, bluish, but just as symbolizing a darker blue. All right, and of course the beach blue here again something similar, light gray, and this one as well. Let's see. Actually, the following screws that I'm going to show you are pretty much similar from the Silhouette one, way before the Knight. Yeah, the Liber Knight and the Rosen Knight. The B2, we have the E, and we have the E2 here as well. And then we would come to the F2 and then the F, which is for the eyes and the head. Now this is where the similarities stop, because for the Rosen Assassin, it has a G sprue here with some white armors, clear blue here, some black there, and lastly, of course, it also has an H, which is more on the more armor parts for the Rosen Assassin. Yep. And there you have it, 30 Minutes Fantasy. Folks, that was what's inside the box of the 30 Minutes Fantasy Rosen Assassin. Yes, so the very first water elemental core for the Rosen Empire. And yeah, since it is an assassin, it actually tries to adopt the liver colors. That's why most of the armor parts here is light gray. Well, except for the part of the circles where for the liver it is really blue, but here it's more like a darker shade of blue, more of like a navy blue. And this is Miko saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing other videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.